Hello MacroHeart community, welcome back. So last time we discussed about an introduction to options. So we saw that options give you the right to, let us say, buy or sell an asset at a certain price, which is known as the strike price. But today we'll discuss about an exotic option which is not like the traditional call or put options. So this option is known as binary options. So before we go into binary options, let's first discuss the two categories inside options itself, which is known as American style options and European style options. So in European style options, the options contract can only be exercised after the deadline. So let us say that the options contract is for 1 week. So if you own a call option where you get the right to buy, let us say, Bitcoin at $20,000, then you can only exercise this contract or exercise this right after 7 days from today. However, on the other hand, we have American style of options. So in this style of options, you can exercise the options contract at any point before the expiration date. So taking the previous example, wherein you have one call option that gives you the right to buy Bitcoin for $20,000 and the expiration is 1 week, then from today until next 7 days, you can exercise this option at any point. Therefore, you can buy Bitcoin at $20,000 at any point before the expiration. Alright, so let's go back into binary style options. To understand, let's take an example. Suppose we own one binary style options for Bitcoin at strike price of 20,000. So this means that if until the expiration, let us say 7 days, the price of Bitcoin goes more than $20,000 at any point, then I will get $1 for one call binary option. However, if the price of Bitcoin never goes above $20,000, then I get nothing out of this call binary option. So similarly, we can have put binary options wherein if the price of Bitcoin goes below $20,000 at any point until the expiration, then I get $1, and if the price of Bitcoin never goes below $20,000 until the expiration, I get nothing. Now, some people say that binary options are very close to betting or gambling. The main reason is that the payoff for binary option is discontinuous, which is if the price is just below the strike price, you get nothing, and if the price is just above the strike price, you get $1. So that's the reason some people consider this as betting or gambling. However, binary options can actually be useful to hedge your portfolio. So here is one case in which binary options can be more helpful than traditional vanilla options. So suppose that you are a trader and you are doing margin trading. So as discussed in one of the previous videos, in margin trading, the trader has a liquidation price, and if the price of the asset goes below the liquidation price at any point, then the whole trade of the trader becomes zero and he loses all his assets. However, if the price remains above the liquidation price, then the trader's trade continues and it can even go to very high profits. So therefore we can see here that the trader somehow faces a discontinuous outcome. That is, if the price of the asset remains above the liquidation price, then everything is fine and his trade is open. However, if the price of the asset goes just below the liquidation price, then the trader loses everything. So this kind of discontinuous loss can be offset by a binary option, wherein if the price of asset goes just below the liquidation price, then you get a payoff of 1 from the binary option contract, and if the price of the asset remains above the liquidation price, then the option contract gives you nothing. So this is one example in which even though binary options have a discontinuous payoff, they help you to hedge or provide you insurance against one of the trading strategies, which is margin trading. So that's all for today. In the next video, we might discuss more about options. So if you guys find this video helpful and insightful, then press the like button and subscribe to MacroHeart, where we are building the next economy. So see you guys next time, and until then, bye bye.